Hi, I'm Matt with CruzTOOLS, and this is the RoadTech toolkit for the Harley-Davidson Pan America. We've designed this kit with all the tools you need for roadside repairs and adjustments. The RoadTech is better than a universal kit because it's lightweight, saves space on your motorcycle, and has everything you need and nothing you don't. Let's take a look inside. As you can see, this is a very complete toolkit for the Pan America. Let's start with the axle tools. Pan America has a really big 36mm rear axle nut, so we had to design this lightweight travel wrench in 36mm with an extension to get it enough torque. Use this along with the 32mm axle wrench to hold the other side while you're torquing. For the front axle, we've included a 22x19 hex adapter. This inserts into the front axle and you turn it with the included adjustable wrench. We have spanners in 14, 13, 12, and 10. These are high quality combination wrenches with a box end and an open end. The kit includes 8, 10, 12, and 13mm sockets, extensions, and a really cool 70 tooth Mini-Ratchet. You'll find a lot of fasteners on the Harley-Davidson that are hard to get, like the tank fasteners, the airbox fasteners, and so this extension is a necessity. We've got some universal tools like an adjustable wrench, locking pliers, and a screwdriver. Gives you a lot of flexibility with your toolkit, including those. As well as zip ties, mechanics wire, and duct tape, because there's not a lot you can't fix on the side of the road with these. We have Loctite to keep bolts from loosening back up after you tighten them. We all know that the V-twin vibrates a lot, and off-road riding really shakes things loose, so this is important to keep with you. And we have all the right torx sizes for that bike for the stock fasteners. We also include hex keys to do things like the brake calipers, but more importantly, a lot of aftermarket accessory companies use hex instead of torx, and so these are always nice if you need to get your crash bars off or your pannier racks. All these tools are lifetime guaranteed, no questions asked, and you can purchase this kit at CruzTOOLS.com or your local Harley-Davidson dealership.
CruzTOOLS, everything you need and nothing you don't.